Hello, now I'll show you how to fix a broken light bulb with LED. Okay, you see the dark spot on the LED. Now that's like burned. Now you have to scratch that part off. Need better tools. Need to scrape it to the bare metal. Okay, after it's done, you have to scratch it real good so the pencil will stick to it. And now after all is done, you have to like that. That's it. Yeah. So for those of you who think it doesn't work, we'll show you it works. See? Now bring it down and open the glass. See? This is the one we fixed. Put it back, put it up. See? It works. See? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.